In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show, hide, and customize the Tools toolbar in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it's up, take a look at the left side of your screen. That vertical area is where your tools are displayed. You'll usually see a column with icons and a panel that can expand to show tool names and options. This left panel is your main shortcut to features like commenting, organizing pages, and more. If that left panel is taking up space and you want a cleaner view, you can hide it. Just click the X at the top right corner of the left panel to close it. That collapses the panel and gives your document more room. Don't worry, nothing is deleted. You're just hiding the sidebar. When you're ready to bring the tools back, look to the upper left corner of the Acrobat window and click the Tools icon. This instantly restores the Tools area. Acrobat will open a panel that shows all available tools organized for easy browsing. Think of this as your toolbox. Everything Acrobat can do is listed here. From this panel, click on any tool you want to use or keep handy. When you click a tool, Acrobat adds it back to your sidebar so you can access it quickly without digging through menus next time. If you don't see the tool in the sidebar right away, try clicking it again to ensure it's active. Sometimes, Acrobat waits for your first use to pin it visibly. If you want the toolbar to always be visible, simply leave the Tools panel open. Keeping it open effectively pins it, so it's there each time you're working. You can also use the drop-down menu within the Tools panel to choose your preferred tools. Selecting your preferred tools helps Acrobat prioritize what shows in the sidebar, so the things you use most are front and center. A quick tip. Interface details can vary slightly between Acrobat versions, but the overall flow is the same. Hide the left panel with the X, restore it with the Tools icon, and manage your tools from the panel that appears. If something looks a little different on your screen, focus on the location cues. The X is on the panel itself, and the Tools icon is in the upper left of the app. That's it. You now know how to hide the left toolbar, bring it back, add tools to your sidebar, and keep your favorite tools visible for a smoother workflow.